Okay, we got a little fear and greed, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you, Crypto Hop here, coming at you, showing you some stuff that I've been looking at today. And the holidays bring a little stress. I mean, this is the way it is. That's how it goes. But man, I've never seen this fear and greed index. I've been watching this for a long time. I've never seen it this low. I want to show you something. Then I'm going to show you like a 2.5 minute clip of stocks with Mo, but he's a crypto guy, and I got to share what he's a multimillionaire. He shows his portfolio, so he documents it, and I respect him, and I've learned a lot from him. So look at this piece right here. It's at 11. See this chart? These are the numbers that we see right here. This right above my head. This 11. As we go, the lowest that I've ever seen it was back in January 25, January, February, March. After that stock market crash, we lost 20%. The lowest it was 15 that I've seen it. This one was a little higher, around 17 or so, but I have never seen the Fear and Index at 11. Okay, that's where it's at right now. Check out this clip. I really respect Stocks with Mo. He's one of the best technical analysis that I've seen. I've learned a lot from him. So shout out to you, man. I appreciate it, Mo. The information you bring is really valuable for me on this channel. I share some of your stuff, so appreciate it. Check this out. If we look at this, let's hear what Mo has to say.
This pain has been going on ever since. What are we back here? In August, September, October, November. That's 3 months, folks, of pain. How long is it going to last? We're closing in on 100 days of pain. Is it almost over? Possibly. How low are we going to go? Well, I showed you. Me personally, I have right here is the first line, 27.50 roughly, give or take a couple bucks. After that, down to that 25.80ish.
This is
and that's
Ethereum.
What I'm watching for. I'm going to do the four. I don't even know if I'm going to.
Did you guys hear that? That's the Ethereum chart he's talking about. Could go to 2,500.
Do the four horsemen. I will show you Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of the leader, and that's another one I'm watching for. And I got to be blunt. I do think we're probably going to get down and retest that 76,000 mark. And if that happens, like I said with the Ethereum, I think the Ethereum is going to get down there roughly to the 2580 mark. And so I think it's going to happen, but I'm not going to be surprised if it doesn't, because we're at a point of support right here. See it? And if we go to the Ethereum, just to show you what I'm watching, we're right here now too. So this could hold and bounce us. But I've been waiting patiently. And I don't want to try to catch this falling knife. I'd rather be a little bit more safe than sorry. It is absolutely selling. And what concerns me, and I probably would be willing to buy right now if it wasn't for the Qs. Okay. And you might say, what do you mean?
This is stock market stuff.
Well,
right
when you
here.
come in and look at the Qs, we
The
confirmed
Qs,
today.
just to share you guys, the Qs is the NASDAQ index. But it's important because these markets kind of, they communicate with each other. Check this out.
Okay. Yesterday I should say, we confirmed on this candle, big time. We had the first under, push back up. Hey, right here, we got a confirmation. Actually, 2 days ago we had confirmation. We had a drop right here under the 50. We confirmed here, it pushed a little bit back up, massive push down. And when it is discounted, it is crushing NVIDIA.
That's the 24-hour daily candles that we're looking at.
It came out and crushed earnings, and it said, we don't care. It ended red for the day. Massively red. That tells you everything you need to know. The pressure to sell is not a one-day pressure.
20
This
seconds.
is something different. I mean, I think if you look at the news and you look at some of the big wigs selling, and I'll say it again, man, Warren Buffett, he's in mostly cash. This is Warren Buffett who would never do that. He promised, I'll never do that. I'll always have more stocks than cash. There you go. He has more cash than stocks. That told me a lot. He's one of the best investors in the history in the U.S., and he's mostly cash.
Some people don't like it, but you can't deny it. So thank you, Stocks with Mo. Appreciate you, man. It's always a pleasure to hear the information that he has to bring. So I did a little yesterday. Okay, I'm a retired high school public education teacher. I was also dean of students. I retired from that job. I call it a job. It's a career. But and so I started a handyman business, and I do some electrical and carpentry work on the side. About 2 years ago, I got paid in silver, and so if you look at the price, this price is about $25-26 at the time that this guy paid me in silver. It was a big job too, so I got a bunch of silver bars. These guys right here, the Scottsdale. These things are cool, man. The Scottsdale 99.9% troy ounce. It's got a little, the little serial number on the back and stuff like that. But I love holding these things. This is real currency. So I had a bunch of these bars, not a bunch, but enough. And I'm sitting there going, I think, you know what? That was actually work that I did. I'm gonna take a third of my silver and go sell it because it's up 50%. Not quite 50, almost 50. So I went down, and it was kind of fun. I went to the coin shop, and it was a very pleasant experience. It's a great shop. Northern Nevada Coin, shout out to those guys. I did take a little video. The stupid mic wasn't working. I might do a video showing you that experience and how it went, but it was great. I got some information from that guy too. Those guys pay attention to markets and things that are going on. I'll show it, but I just wanted to share that with you. That's a message for today. I believe, if you remember back, was it April or May, we had that 20% crash in the market. And so that's what we're doing, okay? I do not like betting on the negative side of things, and I've always learned that from the entrepreneurs I follow, but I'm looking at buying a put option or two. Okay, that's just me personally. I don't want to talk about that. I've only done it a couple times, so I don't have enough information to share right here. But I'm becoming a better expert as more I study on this put options to purchase puts. Again, anytime you purchase a option, it's risky because you have the time decay. Your initial investment, you don't have an underlying security. You really don't own anything, so it can go to zero quickly. Okay, so just want to share that with you guys. Hang in there. I do think we're going to go a little bit lower because we've only done on the Qs. We've only lost 5%. I didn't show you that part. We're only down 5% from the top like a couple months ago, which looks like a lot, but we could hit that 15 to 20% crash. These are opportunities, people. These are opportunities. I wanted to sell some of that silver because I'm going to go buy some crypto with the money. Trust me, that's when I start doing the math on the thing, it gets interesting. We take our little wins, our little profits in different places, and we reallocate with discount prices. The discount prices are coming up. Don't freak out, people. Just, you know what? Try to just take your mind off it. We got the holidays coming on. I got some guests coming into town. I got to get ready for, but always going to be focusing on the markets up. Okay, I'm sharing stuff with you. Thanks for checking in again. If you would, please give me that thumbs up. And if you're interested, I'll stick up another entertaining video. I was in downtown. I did a case study, you can call it, but it's entertainment. In downtown Reno, asking people, you'd rather have $1,000 cash or 1 Bitcoin. Follow to the end because there's some goofy characters not goofy, but like there's characters downtown. That's all I'll say. Thanks for checking in, everybody. Crypto Hop signing off. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the weekend. Take your mind off it. Do something. Get a little exercise. Whatever you can do to stay focused to grow that portfolio. All right. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.